You know P, R, N, D, but that lonely L at the end? Most drivers never use it, and that's a big mistake. Here's why. Understanding PRNDL. What each letter does. Every automatic transmission shifter is labeled with PRNDL, but what do these actually mean? P. Park. This locks the transmission and prevents the car from moving. Use it only when fully stopped. R. Reverse. Enables the vehicle to move backward. Always come to a complete stop before shifting into it. N. Neutral. Disconnects the engine from the wheels. Use it during long idling or car washes, but not while driving. D. Drive. The default mode that lets the car automatically shift through gears as needed. Now, what about L? L stands for low gear, and it's not just for show. When you select L, you're telling your car to stay in lower gears and avoid shifting up. Why use it? Going downhill. It gives you engine braking, reducing the need to ride your brakes and preventing overheating. Towing or heavy loads. It boosts torque and keeps your vehicle steady. Slippery roads or snow, it limits wheel spin by keeping you in a lower gear. It's a hidden gem for safety and performance. Yet most drivers overlook it completely. Don't be one of them. Now you know the secret behind that mysterious L. If this tip saved your brakes or your day, give it a like and subscribe to Daily Auto Tips. Your car care starts here.